The electric pickup called Cybertruck, which Tesla owner Elon Musk launched in 2019, goes on sale this week. Designed from ultra-hard stainless steel, the vehicle is resistant to dents and corrosion, and its armored glass is resistant to hail impacts. The sale of the electric pickup called Cybertruck, which is described by Elon Musk, CEO of the US-based electric car company Tesla, as a radical product, will start on Thursday. The lowest version of the Cybertruck, which will be sold as 3 different models in the USA, is $60,900. Musk notes that the vehicle was partially inspired by a car that turned into a submarine in the 1977 James Bond movie, The Spy Who Loved Me. The submodel of the Cybertruck has a range of 547 kilometers, with a load of 134 kg and a pulling capacity of 4,199 kg. With just 15 minutes of supercharger, its range can be extended another 235 kilos. Cybertruck, introduced by Tesla in 2019, is an electric pickup truck model unveiled by Elon Musk. The distinctive feature of the vehicle is its angular and almost triangular exterior design, setting it apart from traditional pickup designs. This feature gives the vehicle an industrial aesthetic. The outer shell of the Cybertruck is made from a steel alloy developed by Tesla, referred to as the armored exoskeleton, aiming to enhance the vehicle's durability. This structure is intended to provide resilience against various external factors. The performance of the vehicle varies across different models. The top model boasts impressive acceleration thanks to its 3 electric motors. Additionally, the vehicle's range differs depending on the model, with Tesla promising a competitive range. The interior of the Cybertruck is spacious and follows a minimalist design. Elements such as the steering wheel and central screen reflect a design language similar to other Tesla models. While initially announced plans for production and delivery dates have undergone changes, with the original intention being to start deliveries in 2021, updates have been made due to production processes and other factors. In conclusion, the Cybertruck stands out in the electric vehicle sector with its unique design and durability combination. However, for the most up-to-date information, consulting Tesla's official sources is always recommended.